biggest takeaway today is that it really got me excited again for the business. Sometimes this business does become repetitive. You do the same things every day, the same things for each listing. And he had some awesome ideas for us for the open houses, how to stay in touch with our clients, and it has you leaving here excited and ready to go and get out there and just get more business and practice what you learned today. So if there's anything that I'm going to put into action as a takeaway from today, is to definitely utilize my open houses more as a tool to drive more business. There's certain things that I have not been doing over the years that I did do when I first started the business, and so Van Deeb reminded me today of those things, and now I'm going to go out and implement them. Van just has a cool presence. He is just lightning. You know, you want to pay attention to him. You're engaged the entire time he's in the room, and all around he's just such a nice guy. If I was an organization, or if I had somebody coming to talk for my personal team in Fremont, I would absolutely recommend to have Van Deeb come as one of our speakers. He's fun, he's exciting, he keeps everybody engaged. It was just really enjoyable to have Van Deeb.